Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G55, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold your power button and from the boot options select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time, and this will enter the bootloader. When you have this mode open or visible, you can automatically let go of both of the buttons. Just a warning, heads up, when you sometimes let go of the power button, it will accept the first command, which is start, which automatically reboots the device and attempts to, when it boots back up, to get back into Android. So if you see when you let go of the power button, this screen automatically disappears, start holding these two buttons again till you get this page once more. Anyway, when you're in here, you can navigate using your volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is visible right here. So first one is start, which is the get back to Android option. Then we have restart bootloader, which does nothing because it just brings us back here. Then we have recovery mode, power off, barcode, bootloader logs, and we're back to start. So anyway, I'm going to confirm that option, and like I mentioned, this just reboots the device and brings me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.